The following contest is a boiler room match, and it is for the tag team championships. And the only way to win is to escape up those stairs right there. Introducing first, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, weighing at a combined weight of 287 pounds, they are the Coal Masters. And their mystery opponents. I knew nothing about them.
My name is Bill Silex, and this, Borris Frost. You all know me originally as Billy Bob, okay? And guess what? I'm back.
And you're garbage.
I don't know.
Where have you been, Billy?
See where this goes.
And here we go.
Yes.
I guess. I mean, I
Every year,
know
huh?
the one is Billy Bob
You realize
coming
I'm a
back
veteran?
out of nowhere and
I'm a veteran in this company.
oh my god. With Cole J and Kappy. Yes, they are doing the Freebird roll. Oh my. And don't forget that both men have to escape. Doesn't have to be at the same time. Kippy can escape right now. And then 30 minutes later. Oh my god. Cole J can escape too. And they would still win. Oh my god. What are they doing back there? Oh my. Oh, here comes Kippy. Oh. Oh my. I did not get that. I gotta go over here.
I know you're doing everything. You're doing three champions.
What? I forget his name. Oh my god, he fell down himself.
Oh god, he's down.
Oh my god, Cody's on fire right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're just brutally murdering formerly known as Billy Bob, which I don't remember his name right at the moment. Oh my god. This is so brutal. Oh my god. They're just beating each other up so bad. Oh my god. Oh.
Get him, Borris! Get him! That's Borris Frost.
Borris Frost and oh my god. This isn't Star Wars, boys.
Listen!
Oh my god, the spear. Oh my.
I'm gonna get him!
Oh my god, right over the head. Oh. Kick to the gut. Oh, and he falls right on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, here comes Frost. Frost like a chair. Oh. Oh. god. Oh my god, with that shot right in the chest of Kippy. Oh! Oh, Cool J saving the day. Oh, right to the shoulder. Oh my god. Oh, with a splash. Oh. Oh. Another battle with the lid.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Trying to sweep out Cool J's legs.
Yeah, you go. Yeah. Yeah. Get him. Get him.
Oh my god, Frost is now in control. Oh my god, right off the back, they are brutally murdering Kippy. Oh, with the elbow drop onto it. Oh my god. Oh my god, with the headbutt. Oh my god.
A little bit.
Billy Bob, what was your name again? I don't even remember it. Oh my god. Oh! Cool J fighting back. Oh. Cool J's trying to help Kippy. Oh, what a knee to the face. Now banging his head against the table.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Hey. How you doing?
Oh, with the splash onto both of them. Oh, and I'm brutally beating them with the lid. Both of them. Coal Masters are now back into control. Who will prevail when we get back?